Hello YouTube buddies, my name is Noor Saeed and I'll be your instructor for throughout the course. In this course we will learn about one of the most famous library of machine learning, that is Numpy. What is Numpy, how to install Numpy and how to use all the functions of Numpy. So this will be our course. So now let's get started. Now, what is NumPy? NumPy is a Python library. Python is a programming language in which we will be implementing NumPy. NumPy is used for working with arrays. Whenever we have a project, machine learning project, a big data set, and we want to create our own arrays there, then we will have to use NumPy library. Apart from that, NumPy is short for numerical Python. It means that NumPy. There are two words, NumPy. Num stands for numerical, P stands for Python. NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. NumPy was created in 2005 by Travis Oliphant. Now let's see that how to install NumPy. If you have a Python user and you have pip already installed on your system, then installation of NumPy is very easy. You have to do just use pip install NumPy. So go to and search here cmd, okay, cmd and enter. Now just type here pip install NumPy and it will start automatically NumPy. So it says requirement already satisfied because I have already installed NumPy on my system. In your case, it will take 1 or 2 minutes while installation. So before starting NumPy, you must have Python and you must have Python IDE. You can use PyCharm, you can use Anaconda, or you can use VS Code. So let me show you that how to use it. So this is very zoomed in. Open new tab and first search here download PyCharm. So this is the first link. Just click on this, download PyCharm. And here you can see download PyCharm. Now what is PyCharm? PyCharm is nothing. In PyCharm you can implement Python and machine learning coding. So there you have to download community version, not professional. Just click on this, but I have already downloaded, so you have to click on this. Simply click on this and it will be starting downloading. The second thing, for that we have to download Python interpreter. So download Python interpreter for PyCharm. So configure system interpreter, not this one. Okay, let me remove just say Python. Okay, download Python so that we can redirect to the first link. Download Python, click on this link and it will redirect you to the official Python interpreter website. So here you can see download. So when you click on this or just hover on this, it will give you source code, Windows, Mac, other platform, but we are a Windows user, so we will be downloading it for Windows. So click on this Windows. Now here you can see latest Python 3 release, Python 3.10.7. This is the latest version. Just click on this and after that it will redirect you to the download of 3.10.7 Python version. So here what you have to do, scroll down and there will be an option. Okay, there should be an option, I forgot. So let me again search on download, click on download and okay, we will see download embedded package on set bit. Okay, this one. So click on this. As you can see, it says start to download, but I don't want to download it because I have already downloaded. Okay, so that was two things that we have downloaded, but we will not use these two things, PyCharm and PyCharm and Python will be using Anaconda distribution, and within Anaconda we'll be using Jupyter Notebook. So I have already opened Jupyter Notebook, as you can see here. So click on new, and after that it will pop up this. Now this is our Jupyter Notebook. I hope that you must be familiar if you are a machine learner. So you must have the knowledge of Jupyter Notebook. So how to import Numpy? So for that you have to write here import. First let me give it a name. Click on this untitled and here give Numpy tutorial. As you can see here, we have changed the name of my Numpy tutorial. So import after the name of Numpy. Now I want to use this Numpy as a NP. So we have successfully imported Numpy. So let's create an array. So numpy.array, this Numpy has a function by the name of array that will generate you an array. So let's create single dimension array. After that, run it. Now print this error. So as you can see, we have created array. You can check type of this, that what type of error I have generated. It says that it is numpy nd array. So let's check its data type as well. Okay, it says data type is not defined. Okay, let's say you can check its data type, but for now I will leave it. So let me show you something else. Okay. So in the next tutorial, in the next upcoming videos, we will deeply explore Numpy library and how to use in real machine learning projects. First, we will discuss all the basics of Numpy. After that, we will be going through some real world projects. So first you have this was the simple example that we have discussed, that how to create array. And if you are not able to install it, then means if you are using pip install numpy and there are some errors, then just search for Google, search for numpy installation on Google Chrome. So see you in the next video.